Hi, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time format on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called Preference and tap on it. Now scroll down and at the bottom we have time format and date format. First, let's tap on time format. And here we can select 12-hour mode or 24-hour mode. Select the one you like. And then press the side button to go back. And next we have the date format, so let's tap on it and we can select a couple formats. As you can see, we have year, a month and day, year, month, day and month, month, day and year, and day, month and year. Select the one you like and then press the side button to go back. Now I'm gonna press the side button to go back to watch face a couple of times like this. And that's how you change the date and time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.